Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you OREiN spots. Yeah, that's awesome. These are light emitted diode recessed spotlights. 4.5 watt power and 450 lumen with 3000 Kelvin color temperature. And it is a 6-pack. Yeah, like my stomach, baby. Yeah, warm white with a diameter of 68 millimeters. This is a nice recessed spotlight for the bathroom, for the living room, for the mall, for the hallway, for where you like, kitchen, for example. The IP65 waterproof makes it happen that you can install it nearly everywhere. The waterproof rating of this waterproof LED spotlight reaches IP65, which is particularly suited for damp environments such as bathrooms, toilets, and kitchens. The service life is up to 25,000 hours. And pleasant warm white line. This recessed spotlight LED flats has a color temperature of 3000 Kelvin and a beam angle of 36 inches. This giving us a warm and bright feeling. It's flicker free, light is eye friendly, and of course safe. Very easy dual in, dual out installation. We have, as you can see in that video here, we have two clamps on each side, and each clamp contains two clamps itself. One is signed with L and the other with N. So take care, you have to get the L line, the lifeline, that is most black or brown. This connect you will go connect and dip it there at L position. The other side, that is most of it. This is the back line, neutral line. This is a blue wire, most of it. And this comes in the N clamp situation. And of course, this is only one LED beam, but you can make them more and more and more. So then go again, L for the lifeline on the one LED spot, connected with a wire on to the other LED spot, and so on and so on. And do not forget the N9, of course. That's very easy dual in, dual out installation. That means we have a double in and a double out wiring holes. This allows us to install multiple lights in series without complicated and unsafe wiring processes. Very simple wiring process. Press the line valve, line can be inserted, release the line valve, and the line is fixed. Nice. It is environmentally friendly with an energy saving level of up to 90%. The insulating cover is heat resistant, flame restarted, and it has a high safety performance. And you can see it's really easy. If you have a ceiling, if you have a wall, which is not made out of concrete, of course, you can attach or install this. The soft, non-flickering light can protect our eyes, so we don't not feel tired and dizzy under the light. The convenient installation method allows us to easily install without additional labor costs. The good sealing performance allows a normal operation in damp environments and extends the service life too. And fast and easy. Of course, if you docked it there, you have to switch off. First, we turn off the power switch. Okay, that's really important. Then we make the energy lining there. Okay, and if we finished everything and we connected all of that, then we go back to the power switch and switch it on. And then we can control what we have done before. And then you can see fast, easy, and it looks good. You can see this is my garage here, and only 2 spots light up everywhere. So it's really bright and good and flicker free. As you can see, a flicker free, good spots. These are the OREiN spots. Oh yeah. Easy to install, easy to use, and of course, it makes good light in your bathroom, your living room, your kitchen, of course, in your garage, where you like, because them are IP65. And you will need a drill with a diameter of 68 millimeter. Okay, this is important. You will need a diameter 68 millimeter bit for it. And then you can start immediately and install your OREiN spots with LED technology. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.